Dahil po sa report kahapon na merong pumasok sa bansa yung mag-amang gunman sa Bondi Beach Massacre sa Australia before yung nangyaring mass shooting, may ilang foreign media po ngayon na naglalarawan sa Pilipinas as an ISIS training hotspot or terror hotspot. Ano po yung what is Malacanang's position regarding this label po?
Of course, the President strongly rejects the sweeping statement and the misleading characterization of the Philippines as the ISIS training hotspot. At dahil dito ay napanayan po natin o nakausap po natin mismo ang pamunuan ng NSC at ito po ang kanilang tugon at aking babasahin. Regarding reports describing the Philippines as an ISIS hotspot, the characterization is misleading. Currently, there is no validated report or confirmation that the individuals involved in the Bondi Beach incident received any form of training in the Philippines. Philippine authorities, in coordination with international partners, continue to verify all available information, but no evidence has been presented to support claims that the country was used for terrorist training. Since the 2017 Marawi siege, Philippine security forces have significantly degraded ISIS-affiliated groups in the country. Both United Nations and the U.S. government assessments indicate that these groups now operate in a fragmented and diminished capacity. Violence in Mindanao is largely driven by historical conflicts and local clan disputes, rather than the operational capacity of ISIS-affiliated organizations. Recent assessments indicate significant improvements in the domestic security environment that were previously affected by terrorism. These developments reflect the sustained efforts of our security forces and the resilience of our communities in advancing peace, order, and development across the nation. The President orders the Anti-Terrorism Council and member agencies to remain vigilant in preventing any terrorist activity within Philippine territory and to continuously enhance coordination with international partners to safeguard national security. Yan po ang responde ng NSC. Sa issue na po yan.
May appeal po ba ang Philippine government to those foreign media, ma'am?
Maging mapanuri at maging responsable din po sa pagpapahayag at lalo po ito ay nakaka-apekto sa integridad at imahe ng Pilipinas.